Good morning, one and all. Welcome back to Red's Homestead. So we got a busy day today. I was hoping to get started a little earlier. It's almost 9 o'clock now. I had to go into work really early, work a few hours, but I'm back and now I can start getting things done. First is I gotta finish processing all the deer meat so I can get it packaged up and put in the freezer. It's been 5 days now that it's been cooling. I had it in the ice chest for a while to let it bleed out, put it in the fridge to keep it cold, and now we're gonna get it processed, packaged, and frozen. And then a friend has a lot of scrap wood and metal tin from a teardown he did, and I'm gonna have to go pick a lot of that up because it's free stuff to build with around here. And then I have to go take a look and see if I can find my bolt later. I don't know if I can. Gonna eat some inner loins, make a fire. It's gonna be a busy day, so hopefully I can get everything done. Both hindquarters are done, so that's the hardest part really, is getting all the roasts out. I've got all my scraps and everything. I'm gonna give some to the chickens, and I got a whole bucket of right here that's gonna be just ground. Now I have the two front quarters. I'm really just grinding everything. I'm not gonna save anything and try to make anything out of it. It's all gonna be just hamburger. And we're back on the property, and look at all that. That's a bunch of 2x4s framing from an old shed. And not just that, it's not the best of shape, but this is 3/4 inch plywood and dozen pieces. And it's about 4x8 feet. So that's some money right there that I don't have to buy. And I think Shannon's gonna actually get her duck house, and I don't have to pay for anything. And that's just the first load. I have all the rafters to still get, and I have all the metal roofing to get, and then just some more pretty good shape 2x4s and shelving that was in there. So that's another day of hauling it off. Next project on the agenda, the generator. We went ahead and I filled up 4 more tanks of propane and then filled up all my gas tanks, and shouldn't have to again, at least till we're through with winter. So time to build that generator. There you go. This is how you save money. Have your wife cut your hair.
We don't make you bald.
I hope not. I'm back to a civilized individual.
Next day.
Well, good morning. We are back in a new day. And the thing about today is we're gonna get a storm tonight. At about this time is when that hurricane tropical storm is hitting Florida pretty hard. So it's gonna be a little bit later than actual when you'll be watching this. But we've moved the chickens. We did it late last night without any light, so I couldn't really record much of anything. But we moved them from over there to over here because there's no trees above them. It's supposed to get up to 50 miles per hour winds. So let's get these little rascals out. Those guys seem to be pretty happy, relocated to this side of the house. Tons of grass. We have pretty much used up all the grass on this side in the first, I think 3 weeks. They've been out here for about 3 weeks, but we're gonna end up kind of going through the dirt forest over there where you should find bugs and stuff, but no grass, no grass.